Welcome everyone. So yes, today I'm going to show you a question which literally 99% of the people could not figure out. Okay, so here we have x square equals to 14 into 56 multiplied by 56. So now in this case, what do you do? So please understand, eventually when you're trying to take the value of x, you're putting everything in terms of a root. Okay, so let's write all of them in as much possible as its pair. Okay, so what happens over here is 7 into 2 and this becomes 7 into 8. Now why did I do that? Why did I try to write everything in terms of its pair? Because see, if you want to find root of 7 into 7, here it becomes so easy, it becomes just 7, right? So that's what I'm trying to do over here. So this became 7 square and this becomes 2 into 8 became 16, which can be further written as what? 7 square into 4 square, correct? So this eventually comes out to be 7 into 4 the whole square, and this value is still equal to x square. Now in order to find the value of x, you will say that we'll take square roots. X square, here we had 7 into 4 which gets you 28 the whole square. Now in order to find the value of x, we'll take square root on both sides, but whenever you take the square root for an variable, the value will always come with a plus minus sign. So this becomes plus minus, the root and the square will cancel on both sides, and I'm just left with plus minus 28. You saw how easily we could do this. Okay, so I hope you've understood how to solve these kind of questions. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.